just gotta tell y'all right now, I am super stoked right now. I'm like a kid at Christmas. Okay, maybe not that much, but I am still super excited. I've been waiting on Range Technology to have their Pulsar LT compatible with the new 6.2 10-speed, and they finally do. I'm telling you, this thing does so much. A lot of the things that I didn't really like about the truck, man, this fixes it. One of the main things I hate about it is the DFM and how it drops down into 4 cylinders. This fixes that. Another thing that it fixes is that auto start stop feature that everybody just loves in a pickup truck. It stops that. It does so many more other things. You can recalibrate your tire size, your axle ratio. You can do the tire pressure system. One of the things I'm excited about is the throttle response. You can work on that a little bit, bump it up. This thing already flies, so when I do that, it's going to fly even more. So I'm going to do some test runs before I get this installed. All right, so there was no reason to do an install video because my 3-year-old son could do this. Basically, you have this sensor right here. You take it off, you plug it in, reroute it through their sensor, and then they tell you to put it through the Pulsar, and they say to put it on the top of your airbox. But since I have an S&B, I did not want to cover up that glass or that amazing good looking air filter down there, so I just put it right here. We're gonna see if it stays. If not, I'm gonna have to put it somewhere else. But right now, I mean, it looks great. So it's the moment of truth. Yes, because I knew I was forgetting. And here's all the features that you can program with this Pulsar LT. You can do the speed limiter, the tire pressure maintenance system, the tire size, axle ratio. You can clear your DTCs, the auto start stop, the DFM, and the performance level adjuster. So I mean, this does everything. So for the money, it is so well worth it. All right, so I didn't want to bore y'all with me going through the settings and doing all that because quite frankly, it's straightforward, super easy. I don't need to show you, but I did want to show you this. This is the first thing I want to test out. On and then off, auto stop off. It didn't say it would do this in the instructions, but when I first started the truck, it told me to roll down the driver's side window and then back up. So that was weird. And so we're gonna check it out. I turned off the DFM, and then I also put the performance, the throttle response at 5, which is the highest it'll go. So yeah, I wanna see what this is like first. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. Oh, I might get in trouble with this, dude. I might have to put this back down. I don't know. I barely hit it, and I made it jump a little. Oh my gosh. Y'all, again, I'm a kid at a candy store right now. Oh, geez. Like, I wasn't able to hear this S&B cold air intake because it is a closed, technically a closed box. But when I just kind of barely just put my foot down on the gas right then, I heard it really, really clear as day. Man, this is great. Y'all, that was just a feather. I think I just put my big toe down. I might not need to. Oh man, I'm gonna get in trouble. All right, I'm gonna do some testing later today of that 0 to 60. I turned off the DFM also, and so again, I'm gonna drive it around. I'm not gonna video and bore y'all with that, but I'll talk about it after. But so far, oh yeah, money well spent.